All right, gang. I'm hoping this is a short one. Like, I feel like I teach this in about 2 minutes. Don't want to overthink it, but I don't want to leave anybody behind either. Our lesson today, oh, hey, you settle down, you handsome fella, and stay in the corner where you belong. Lesson 6.2 is the base and height of a triangle, and it is literally looking at a triangle saying, that's the base, that's the height. Okay? It seems like it shouldn't be rocket surgery, but it does get a little bit freaky-deaky and troublesome if you're not totally paying attention to it, all right? It's deceptively tricky, okay? I can identify the base if someone tells me the height of the triangle, and I can identify the height if someone tells me what the base is. That's it. What are the base and the height, you say? Well, a triangle has 3 vertices, boop, 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 3 sides, hey, 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 and 3 angles, oh, oh, oh. Okay, the vertices are your points A, B, and C, the sides are A, B, B, C, and CA, and the angles are ABC, ACB, and BAC. All right, again, in the naming convention, the center of the 3 letters always names the vertex, the bendy bit. Okay, here you go. This is like sorry, that may have been a bit excessive. Any one side of a triangle can be its base. Okay, that's it. Any one side of a triangle can be its base. This line here, I absolutely can't stand. The base of an object is the face or side on which it lies. No, 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 no. The base is whatever you or the textbook identifies as the one side that is the base. A triangle can be pictured lying on any one side, so in a triangle, any one side can be its base. So these are all 3 the same triangle, but for some reason the book's just turning them around, assuming that you can't just look at this triangle and say, oh, that's the base. Base number 1. Oh, this could be base number 2. Oh, this could be base number 3. This. Wait, sorry, I'm gonna be like the Tusken Raider in Star Wars Episode 4. But I only have like a little pen, so it should be like. If you don't get it, sorry, too bad. Nerd humor. So the base, any side of a triangle, any side of a triangle, any side of a triangle, any side of a triangle. If I mentioned the base is any side of a triangle. Seriously, dude. Now here's where it gets funky. A triangle is measured by its base and its height. The base is any chosen side. The height, here's the kicker. Here's where you got to be really thoughtful and listening. The height, and the base is the measurement of one side. Let's not just say it's the side, it's the measurement of one side. The height is then the measurement from the base to the opposite vertex. And the measurement has to be done perpendicularly. Okay? So in each one of these cases, in this triangle, the height is measured at a right angle to the base. Okay? Look at each one of those. Pause me. I don't need to read this junk at the bottom of the screen. You read it and pause and just take a look. So far, so good. It's all right, right? There's one little bit of business that's going to monkey you up here. This guy right here, where it says sometimes the height is not part of the triangle. Okay? And the way I do this, so this is still your base, this measurement from Q to R, not from Q to S, because this bit isn't part of your triangle. Q to R is your base. The base is the measure of any one side of a triangle. Okay? But we're measuring the height here because what you need to do is imagine that the base sits on one line, and just kind of bear with me here, and the height sits on a line that's parallel to the base. And what do we know about parallel lines? Parallel lines are always the same distance apart. So if I take this blue line right here, and please be able to move this. No, 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 naughty you. Come on. I should be able to take this blue line, and anywhere along that blue line, the height measurement should be the same. So in this case, I could measure the height right here. I could measure the height right here. I could measure the height right here. Okay? The one thing I can't do is measure the height like this or like this. The key to that height measurement is measuring at a, oh, flippity floop, at a right angle. Okay? Over here, they make PR the base, then they extend that line. Your base is on, yeah, I fudged it a little bit. Your base and your height are on parallel lines. You measure from the base to the opposite angle. From the base, oh, here it works out easy, to the opposite angle. I cannot stress it enough. The height is always perpendicular to the base. The base is the measure of one side. The height is the measurement from the base to, you could say even to the line, the parallel line that the height lies upon. That's actually really good. You should write that down. Do it. Do it now. Oh, yeah. Oops. Freaky deaky, huh? All right. In this one, so take a look. Try this. Pause me, and then I'm going to blast through and explain it. Okay. Each one of these, you could do a couple of these in different ways. I'm going to show you each of them. So in this case, it tells us the base is, come here, M, N. Then the height is measured at a right angle from the base. There's my right angle from the base. My height is then LO, okay? But theoretically, LN or LM could be a base. If LN is a base, then your height is going to be PM, okay? Here it tells us that the base is TR. If the base is TR, oh, look, it's a right triangle. There's the base, right angle to the opposite vertex. The height is TS. But guess what? TS is not only height, but it's a side. So TS could be the height, base, and the height could be TR. Or RS could be the base, meaning UT is the height. They're all correct. 5, there's only one possible combination given to us. So height is BE. See, look at this. They're just unnecessarily tricky here to catch you off guard. The height is BE, then your base is going to be AC. Here the height is QR, and it's a right triangle, so it can be QP. And because it's a right triangle, those are interchangeable. Okay? Oh, 8 minutes. I was going to go fast on this one, and I got to teach a real live lesson at 2:15 here. Let's see. Oh, one more, just to be tricky. If the height is XU, the only possible base is, you stop that. Oh man, I'm trying to teach here, man. The only possible height is, wait, the height is UX, and the base is then YZ. Okay. Beautiful. All together. Let's see what we're doing here. Draw a triangle, label it ABC. For each base, identify a height. If you have a drawing, you can pause, read this. All right, you got that? Good. You're supposed to draw 3 triangles, label 3 bases, then label the corresponding heights. What do you notice about the heights AD, BE, and CF? I'm not using my book. It's laying here closed. Teacher manual. Bleh. My guess is that you're supposed to see that the 3 lines maybe intersect at 120-degree angles. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, send me a message and blow me up. I don't care. You can blow up my inbox. I don't care. Practice. All right, you're going to practice these. Pause, do it, and then I'm filling in the answers. I'm not explaining because it's practice. Okay. Oh, it asks for height first. Don't get tricked like I do. Okay, there you go. Next slide. Pause me, work. Okay. B, C. You don't have a book, so you can't really do that. But you could just draw your own. So maybe you can. If F, E is the base, then you got to continue this line out and then make your right angle there. And what is that? A D, U for duh is the height. There. Oh my gosh, McCarthy, stop talking. This is taking too long. Oh, but we need to talk about this problem here. List all the possible pairs of bases and heights for the triangle ABC. Well, the base is any side of a triangle, so I'm just going to go, hey, bases AB, bases BC, bases CA. Hey. For the base AB, what's measured at a right angle from AB? Well, it's FC. That's my height. For the base BC, where's my right angled measurement? Oh, it's DA. Oh, I got something goofed up in that last problem. No, I didn't. All right. And finally, for the base CA, my perpendicular measurement is EB. Oh, Mr. McCarthy, you got to teach a lesson in 3 minutes to real live people instead of your mystery friends in video world. See if I can do this. In both triangles, what is perpendicular to XY? CW. In both triangles, oh, mean. CW is the height and XY is the base. Obnoxious. Problem of the lesson. This problem right here, you guys, the lettering might be different, but this problem right here is the exact same idea of this one. Give all possible pairs of bases and heights for the triangle ABC. I don't know how your teacher wants you to submit this or you're doing it together, but do that. And then it's assignment time. Hey, keeping it under 13 minutes. These 2 workbook pages, submit however you want them to. Choose a Chapter 6 skill plan. Perfect. Schoology, do your exit slip. Kablooey, kaplowy, we're done with 13 minutes to go, and I'm going to go teach my other lesson in 2 minutes, and I'm going to come back and teach another lesson at 2:25. Bye, friends.